Welcome back to another tutorial, guys. And if you're new here, and I'm Chantel, and I post makeup videos and travel videos on a weekly basis. So here we're doing a Valentine's makeup look, and we started out with our foundation, and now we're just jumping into concealer. And we're applying the concealer under our eyes to brighten them because I suffer from hyperpigmentation, so I use a lot of concealer, but not too heavy because we don't want that cakey look, but I tend to put a adequate amount. And now we're just blending that out because we want to look gorgeous for Valentine's Day. So you guys can save this video and like it, share it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content, makeup content or travel content. So now we're just blending that out, and blending does take time. It takes quite some time, so just have patience and just get that blended out. So I'm just going back and forth with the sponge and the brush. So the sponge give it a more blended and smooth look. Then after you blend that, you definitely have to set it with a setting powder of your choice. So this is the one that I've been using for years. It has never failed me, so I just kept on using it. Alright, so yeah, that's blending there. Now we're going to eyeshadow. We're taking the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and we're using that orangish shade to apply to the outer crease, and we're just gonna buff that in. So that's basically our transition color. Then we're gonna darken that with the brown color. It's a very dark brown, so you don't want to use a lot because it's gonna look too black and too heavy. You don't want to have a heavy look for Valentine's Day. You just want to look subtle and gorgeous, and you don't want your partner to like not recognize you. So yeah, so just don't be heavy with it. Then we're gonna lighten that, so we're gonna apply our lid color, which is a very neutral brown. Then we're gonna apply that to our crease with a flat shadow brush, and then we're just gonna mimic like a cut crease. It's not really a cut crease, but something similar to a cut crease without using the concealer or whatever to cut the crease. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're just gonna buff that out. Next up, we're gonna take that shimmery eyeshadow and we're gonna apply it onto the nude color that we applied before, and this is just gonna give us a little pop of, just give us a little glam look. So it's not too much, just a little bit of shimmer to make the eyes pop a bit. Then when you apply eyeshadow, you have to go back and add the one that you did before, because throughout the whole blending process the colors will go away. So anyways, moving on to lash. This is my favorite part. I'm taking one of the lashes from my sticker stash, and I pop that on. I have a lash video, so I will add it up top. So next we're going to apply mascara just to blend our natural lashes with the mink lash, and we're gonna coat that properly. Rhinestone that I was showing in the video, so I applied the rhinestone to the inner corner of my eye, so one on each side. It's not hard, I just apply that with lash glue. Then we're moving on to highlight, contour and highlight, my apologies. So we're contouring our face, nothing too dark, so it's just a nice little contour just to give us little definition, not too much.
Show up, show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look when I started. Knew it right when I found it. Eyes on me, cause I got it. I got it.
Next, we're gonna apply our blush, and this is a very pretty blush. I've been using it from ever since, and I love it dearly. So it's so gorgeous because it has it's like it has the reflector in it, so you don't really need to apply highlighter after. So this is really nice, and you should try and get your hands on one of these Morphe palettes because it will save you a lot of money. Everything is in the palette that you need for your face, and you can also use a palette as an eyeshadow palette as well, so it's very multi-purpose. Now we're going to do a reverse contour, and I've always do this, so this is not a step that I miss. Anyway, we're gonna try out this Makeup by Mario lipstick palette. Well, I've used it before on clients. However, I'm just gonna see how this red actually looks on me. Hopefully it looks good, but yeah, here we go. These are the colors that are in the palette. They're very gorgeous. And they are matte, so we're going with that red orange color. So So we're using the lip brush to apply our lipstick, and then we're just gonna buff that out and, you know, use it as a liner first and then apply it inwards to our lips.
But I know now, best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look what I started. Know it right when I found it. Eyes on me 'cause I got it. I got it. Do what I want, it's my party. I just sit in my car. They all look 'cause I got it. I got it. I got it, got it, yeah. I got it, got it, yeah. I got it, got it. I got it. I got it, got it, yeah. I got it, got it, yeah. I got it, got it. 'Cause I got it.
Alright, so we're just going to remove the setting powder from the reverse contour that we did with our foundation brush, and we're just gonna blend that out because we don't want that powder to be sitting there. That's not cute. Next, we're gonna line our eyes with this Maybelline Maybelline liner. Yeah, so it's a mattifying liner, so it does dry matte, so you don't have to think about it transferring onto your lids. Then next, we're going to set our face with our setting spray. So this is the Fitish setting spray that I had poured some out into a smaller container, smaller spray bottle. Yes, so this is the look, and I'm trying to see if I feel it, but I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this look. I'm not sure if it's the hair or if it's the lip color. I'm not sure, but I do like the eyes. However, the lipstick is just giving red orange. Yeah, so this is how it turned out, guys. So if you have this lipstick palette, you can give the lip colors in there a try and see how well they fit your color, your complexion. So this is it. Make sure you like this video, share, and subscribe for